It begins with a burst of sunlight, illuminating the opportunities of today's world. We harmonize with the symphony of energy transition, whether realizing a distant dream or succeeding beyond our grasp. The sun continues to guide us in our commitment to clean energy conversion. Determination to discover new frontiers. We continue exploring. Move beyond boundaries. Perfecting even the smallest details. In the pursuit of excellence, we endeavor to increase our merit, to be more reliable, more efficient, and create prosperity. We continue delivering upon our core values, sincere and pragmatic, precise and open, innovative and respectful, customer-oriented. Building more lucrative, healthier, and smarter solutions. To pave the way for a greener future. Sungrow. Clean power for all.